Are you getting tired of seeing ads like this, always asking you to buy something? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $2 in 30 seconds watching video ads. So let's get into it. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, I'm at this website. The name of this website is AppGrind. So on this website right here, you're going to earn extra cash from online activities. Now we're talking about watching ads today, but I'm going to go ahead and tell you about the other ways you can make money on this website. So they have high-paying surveys, several contests, completing offers, paid to promote, referring others, and task bonus. Now these are the payment platforms you need to use to collect your money. Perfect Money, Payeer, AirTM, and Faucet Pay. Now here are the other ways you can make money on here. I'm just going to briefly talk about them right quick. So earn up to $20+ from surveys and offers every day. So they have the surveys, they have the offer walls, paid to promote, and contests. Now here's some of the member benefits. So lots of different type of ways to earn. You're going to earn 4 cents per click. Guaranteed ads, surveys daily, and instant payments. And this is how many members they have. As you can see, over 97,000. And look at this for the ads, guys. That's a lot of numbers. And total offers completed. And this is how much was paid out. Over $40,000 have been paid out to people on this website. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is show you inside my account, because I have an account. So let me log in right now. Okay guys, I'm inside my account. So I'm going to show you around real quick. So if you want to upgrade your account, you can upgrade your account. That's going to give you more features and more ways to make money. And you can advertise on here. They have the surveys, daily offers, hot offers, and paid to promote. So right now I don't have anything in my balance. Now at the top of the screen, as you can see, they have earn money, offers, contests, PTP, advertise, and form. So we're going to click on earn money. And here's view advertisement, daily surveys, and they have some offers here and surveys. They have this one called Lucky Box. You can click on that and you might get lucky and win some money. Now let's just click on view advertisement. Now guys, right now I don't have any advertisements to view. I'll probably have some the next day, but they're going to show up here and you'll be able to look at the ads for 30 seconds. You can get paid. So they have daily ads here, they have standard ads, micro ads, and exchange ads. Now once you look at the ads for 30 seconds, accumulate some points or money, and you'll be able to cash out. So once you accumulate some money, it's going to pop up right here where the balance is. And as you can see, you just click right there. You'll be able to withdraw whatever funds that you have. So guys, that's basically it. Again, you can do all these other tasks if you want to. If you don't have any ads to watch, just click on any one of these, do some surveys or some offers, and start getting paid until you get the ads. Here's the last thing I want to show you. You can watch videos. So as you can see here, they have suites, music, celebrity, viral, fix it, best life, gaming, adventure, movie buzz, tech talk, Laughs, Staff's Fave, Chillax, Pet Clips, Gamer Spot, and Dessert Ninja. So when you click on any of these videos right here, as you can see, you're going to get 100 points here. This one you get 250 points. This one you get 212.5 points. This one you get 375, 175. So all these points that you're going to accumulate is going to convert to cash. Okay, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. Give me a like. Share this video everywhere. Help this channel to grow. Let's get to 8,000, guys. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.